What's the meaning of correspondent? Correspondent. Correspondent.
Co-respondent. Co-respondent. In legal terms, a correspondent is someone who is named as a participant in both the marriage and the breakdown of that marriage. Specifically, it refers to an individual who has been named in a divorce case as having committed adultery with the person's spouse. By naming a correspondent in their divorce petition, the petitioner is essentially accusing them of being the reason for the breakdown of the marriage. If the court finds that the allegations are true, it may impact the division of assets and other aspects of the divorce settlement.